Good morning, dear student. Myself, Jitendra Chaudhary, and today I'll discuss about your first chapter of physics, heat and temperature, and today I'll discuss about the types of thermometer. So there are three commonly used thermometers: clinical thermometers, laboratory thermometers, and digital thermometers. Clinical thermometers. The thermometer used to measure human body temperature is known as the clinical thermometer. It means clinical thermometer basically किसका माता है? Human body के temperature को measure करने के लिए. So normal body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. It means if you measure human body temperature in Celsius, so 37 degree Celsius, and if you measure in a Fahrenheit, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. And the range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. है ना? So इसकी रेंज कितनी होगी? 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Means, so if a person has fever, the temperature goes up. However, it never goes above 42 degree Celsius and below 35 degree Celsius. Diagram is here. 35 degree Celsius is starting point and highest point is there 42 degree Celsius. This is the clinical thermometer. Second one, laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer basically used in laboratories for performing experiments. Such thermometers can measure temperature of hot objects such as boiling water or cold objects such as ice. Commonly used laboratory thermometers have ranged from 0 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. That's one. The diagram is here. Laboratory thermometers. So this value is a 0 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. The range. इसकी रेंज कितनी है? 0 degree Celsius से 110 degree Celsius तक. Third thermometers here, digital thermometers. A digital thermometer does not contain mercury because ये laboratory thermometers and clinical thermometers के अंदर क्या फिल होती है? Mercury. But in digital thermometer does not contain mercury. So it has a plastic body and it is easy to use and provides accurate reading in the form of a digital display. The diagram of digital thermometer is this. Digital thermometer. So now your next topic is here, heat. Basically, what do you mean heat? तो heat मैंने पहले भी बताया था आपको. So, but थोड़ा सा टॉपिक आया है तो उसको डिस्कस करना भी जरूरी है. Heat is a form of energy used to do work. It means heat क्या है? एक एनर्जी की फॉर्म है जो हमें हेल्प करता है वर्क करने के लिए. So it always flow from the hotter body to a colder body. It means heat always move from higher region to lower region. So the units of heat are joule and calories. It means heat को आप किस में मेजर करते हो? जूल में करेंगे या कैलोरी में करेंगे. Your next topic here, methods of heat transfer. So there are three ways in which heat transfer can take place: conduction, convection एंड रेडिएशन। इट मींस हीट कैसे ट्रांसफर होगा, हीट एक ऑब्जेक्ट से सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्ट में या अदर ऑब्जेक्ट में कैसे ट्रांसफर होगा, उसके लिए कुछ मेथड्स हैं। फर्स्ट इज योर कंडक्शन, सेकेंड कन्वेक्शन, थर्ड इज रेडिएशन। तो फर्स्ट मेथड इज योर कंडक्शन। So basically what do you mean conduction? So conduction process basically takes place in solid material. So heat transferred through a substance without the actual movement of molecules. ऐसा क्यों बोला गया है? Because solids molecules are tightly packed. So that's why the solid molecules cannot move from one place to other place. It means इसमें कैसे होगा हीट ट्रांसफर? Only the just vibrations of molecules. And conduction के लिए कुछ conditions भी होती हैं. So condition necessary for the conduction of heat. It means how can heat conduct in solid, उसके लिए कुछ conditions होती हैं. तो first conditions ऐसा ही मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. Two bodies should be in solid state. It means जो जिससे heat transfer होगा और जिसमें heat transfer होगा दोनों के दोनों कैसे होना चाहिए? Solid state में होना चाहिए. Second condition, the two bodies should be in contact or touch each other. It means because molecules cannot move from one place to other place, so they are in contact or touch each other. Third conditions क्या होती है? Their temperature should be different. अगर टेम्परेचर सेम होगा तो ट्रांसफर कैसे होगा फिर, है ना? सो हीट ऑलवेज हायर रीजन मूव हायर रीजन टू लोअर रीजन. तो हीट कैसे मूव करेगा? हायर टू लोअर. इट मींस दोनों का टेम्परेचर कैसा होना चाहिए? डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. तो दिस इज conduct. So conduction takes place in normally solid object. Second, convection. Second method is convection. Heat transfer by actual movement of molecules of the substances. It means in this conditions यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि actual movement होती है molecule के अंदर. It means the molecules are loosely packed like liquid and gases. It means in this process, molecules can carry heat and transfer from one place to other place. So, इसमें क्या होगा? Actual movement होगा. क्या होगा? Actual movement of the molecules in this process, convection. And third process here, radiation. So, radiation, the method of conduction and convection required a medium for heat to flow. It means conduction और convection में क्या था? इनके लिए मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि ये इस पे क्या होगा? हीट ट्रांसफर होगा तो इनके लिए मीडियम चाहिए. बट इन केस ऑफ रेडिएशन ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट विदाउट द नीड ऑफ एनी मटेरियल. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, enough for sufficient. It's sufficient for today. Thank you.